Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get $100,000 personal loan that you can use for credit card consolidation, home improvements, family planning, travel, weddings, and more. Also, right now, they are offering lower than ever credit card consolidation rates. They just dropped the rates, and they also are offering $20 just for you viewing your rates. So you're getting free money just for applying and seeing what you can get approved for. Now that's going to be deposited into the SoFi checking and savings accounts or the SoFi money offer. So this particular loan is brought to you by SoFi. The rates are as low as 5.74 APR. So if you want to see more videos about personal credit, business credit, and business grants, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just want to say thank you for the information. So SoFi is one of the top online financial institutions. You can get checking accounts with them, saving accounts with them. Also, you can get personal loans, home loans, credit cards, and more with them. So you're able to get approved for this particular loan with a soft pull. Also, there is no minimum credit score. So even if you have bad credit, you still can apply and see if you can get. So what's cool about SoFi, again, they have personal loans that start off with low APRs, and then they also have no fees. Also, that $20 offer does end on April 7th, 2022. So I would hurry up and apply if you're watching this video before April 7th, 2022. Also, another big thing is that they also will fund you within 24 hours. It can either be the same day or within 24 hours. So here's a big reason why I like SoFi. So they also have unemployment protection. So if you lose your job, they're able to temporarily modify your payments, and they will also help you find a new job, which is pretty dope. So they got you covered. If you actually get this loan from them and something happens, they will help you with your payments as well as helping you get another job. Also, here's a comparison between SoFi and some of the other companies that offer personal loans like Lending Club, Discover, and then in general, their personal loan versus credit cards out there. So they have fixed APRs that start at 5.74%, and then it goes up to 21.78%. And they also offer discounts. Now, when it comes to having a credit card, sometimes that can go up to past 25%. And with Lending Club, their rates can go over 35%. They also have origination fees with Lending Club, and then the terms are a little bit shorter with Lending Club, and then they don't offer up to 100,000. They only offer up to 40,000, and then they don't have any unemployment protection. None of these other companies have unemployment protection. And then they also have origination fees and stuff like that as well. Or they may have transfer fees, like on credit cards. There may be transfer fees and stuff like that. SoFi, there's no fees at all. So if you want to go ahead and apply for this, again, there's no penalty. There's no hard inquiry. It's only a soft pull on your credit. You can complete the application online, and you can get the money wired to your bank account as soon as the same day. So they also have a personal loan calculator here. So what you can do is you can put in the amount that you would like to get, or actually the amount of your current loan if you have one, and you can compare and see how you can save money. So say for instance, we had a $10,000 loan at a interest rate of 9.99 with a 60-month term. So the current monthly payments are around $212. So SoFi can save you up to $10 a month. And again, it's going to depend on your credit. It's going to depend on factors. So here's a little bit more information about the personal loan. One of the ways you can use this personal loan is to consolidate some of your debt and lower your interest rates. Right here where it says what credit score is needed for the personal loan, they don't have a minimum credit score requirement. So you may be able to get approved if you have a low credit score. It will depend on different factors, like if you have a bunch of inquiries, if you have a lot of late payments, things like that. Also, this is an unsecured loan, so you do not need to provide any collateral in order to get this loan. Also, if you wanted to become a member of SoFi, there are many benefits to becoming a member. They help you with financial planning. You can also get referral bonuses as well as member rate discounts. You also get access to different events and things like that. Again, they also have an unemployment protection program. You also get 25% off of your estate planning. So they have a lot of different benefits to becoming a member. They do have an app that you can download to apply on your phone. So if you click on become a member, you can select one of the products that you want to start with, if you want to do the personal loan, or if you just want to get a bank account or even a credit card. So we'll go over the membership creation process really quickly. You'll enter in your name, your state, email, and password. Once you do that, you should see this page. You're going to be able to click on whatever offer that you want. They have different discounts going on right now. So you can apply for the personal loan, the home loan, credit card. You can track your finances. You can refinance your student loans. You can set up a checking account. You can invest as well. And then you can also check your credit score. They also have more products here, the insurance, and then auto financing and stuff like that. Another cool thing is that they also teach you how to invest in crypto here. They have training here that's going to teach you how to actually buy crypto. You can also pay your bills here. So if you click here where it says pay bills, you can just set up a separate account with SoFi just for paying bills. Set up direct deposit, and you can get your paycheck as early as 2 days. You'll also get $100 bonus. They have no account fees, and then you also can get a 1% APY on your direct deposits. So go ahead and apply for the personal loan if that is what you really want. That's the purpose of this video. You'll just enter in the amount that you want. Then you're going to select how you're planning to use the funds. Enter in your preferred monthly payment. Hit next. Enter in your birthday. Select your citizenship status. Hit next. Then you're going to put in your address. Then your living arrangement. Total annual income. And this is gross income before taxes. Then you're going to select whether you want a co-buyer or not. And then you're going to select check my rate. Scroll down and click on this blue box. So it's going to give you your rate. It's going to be a soft pull. Once you accept the offer, I believe they do a hard pull after that, and you can potentially get the funds the same day. It will depend on when you actually apply. If you apply on the weekend, you may not get it the same day. You'll probably get it the following Monday. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Comment down below if you have any questions. Also, like this video if you found it valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.